Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back with another unboxing video. So today's unboxing, I'm going to unbox the CD Going Through the Emotions by PNB Rock. I just got it from MixUnit website. So it came in this package as well. And I also have trspstar turned popstar deluxe CD as well. So here's Going Through the Emotions CD. It has all the tracks on here. Here's the disc part. And I'm going to tell you which track is my favorite. Let's see, I like Selfish. That's number 4 by PNB Rock. That one is pretty good. I also like Notice Me. That one is pretty awesome as well. And I like Hanging Up My Jersey with him and Ty Dolla $ign. That song is nice as well. And I also like Smile. That one's good. Misunderstood is pretty good as well. Then you got Questions. New Day, Stand Back is my all-time favorite because it's like a club song, you know, or the type of song that you can exercise to. Yeah, so the song Stand Back is with him and A Boogie with the Hoodie. And the other songs on here is called Attention, There She Go with PNB Rock featuring YFN Lucci. Then you got Player No More with PNB Rock and A Boogie with the Hoodie and Quavo from the Migos. Then you got Plans, Range Rover, got Misunderstood, Heart Racing. Yeah, this album is pretty good and it's one of my favorites from PNB Rock. Okay, then you got trspstar turned popstar deluxe. I'm going to show you the disc. This is what the disc looks like. And here's the picture. And the tracks on here, it has like 23 tracks since it's a deluxe album. You got Dreaming, I Need More. I love that one with PNB Rock. These Streets, that one's good as well with Lil Durk. And then you got Go to Mars featuring T Grizzly. That one is awesome. I like that one. Then you got Penny Proud. And I love the song Middle Child with PNB Rock and XXXTentacion. That's like my most favorite song from the album. And then you got Fuck Up the City featuring Quavo and Molly Mal. Nowadays, Now or Never 2.0, I like that one. That one is pretty good. Then you got Swervin' featuring Diplo. That one's good. Then you got I Like Girls featuring Lil Skies. I love that song. It's another favorite of mine that I like. Then you got All These Bands featuring Tory Lanez. That one's good too. I've heard it before. Then you got Put You On featuring A Boogie with the Hoodie. That one is fire. I like that one as well. Then you got Stage Fright. Choosing My Ex My Ex is a good song. You know, it's awesome. Then you got ABCD Friend Zone with PNB Rock. I like that one. That one's good too. How It Feels is another track that I like. You know, got that R&B vibe to it. Then you got T-Shirt featuring Lil Wayne. Me and You, that one's a good track. Then you got Evolved featuring Roddy Ricch. Take My Soul. This one is another favorite that I love. It's with PNB Rock featuring Young Boy Never Broke Again. And then lastly, you got Hit Me Up. That one's good as well. Yeah, so that's it for the unboxing video for Going Through the Emotions and trapstar turnt popstar deluxe album. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a like, view it, and make sure to leave a comment, you know, about the video and what you thought of the albums. If you're a PNB Rock fan, let me know what your favorite track is, and we can discuss it in the comments. Alright? So, I will be back Tuesday for another movie review, and then Wednesday I will be back for a spiritual vlog, or any vlog, whichever you guys want to see. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.